Hi, I'm Jen Gallacher, and today I'm sharing with you an out-of-the-box video from Scrapbook.com. So I recently made a few purchases, but I wanted to show you one in particular so you know what you're getting. Scrapbook.com has put together a few December Days kits. So they're meant for creating December memory albums or December dailies. And this particular one they put together includes things from Simple Stories, and I wanted to walk you through what you get. Now, the first thing that you get is their holiday binder. And what comes in the binder is you get all these darling little divider pages. And they have some in different sizes, different pieces. And the album is made to be taken apart and put back together however you want. Darling little snowman. This one is a pocket. And then you get all these different pocket pages so that you can finish creating the album. So you have the option of just getting the album, but because I found it was a better price to buy the entire kit, I'll show you the other items that are in the kit. Let me show you the Q album. So it's a wood grain, and it has this really charming little holiday floral print here, which I just loved. So you can either decorate the cover, it's a smooth cover, or you can leave it as is. Some other things that came with this December Days 2018 kit are these 48 pieces of snap cards, and they are double-sided cards, and these are designed to fit inside their pockets. You can see they're double-sided, and they have a couple different sizes. And I will actually be making a December daily album or a December memory album using these items, but this comes with 48 pieces, and this is part of the kit. Another thing that comes with the kit that I thought would make making a December album really easy are these awesome numbers. Now they're 1 through 25, and what's really cool is they come in a variety of sizes and patterns. So they've really mixed it up and made it interesting for you. See how the one's a little bit smaller than the two? So you can add these to your photos, you can add them to the divider pages, you can do whatever you want. But it has all of the numbers for a full 25 days. So that comes with the kit. You could also buy them separately if you want to build your own kit, but I really feel like this particular kit spoke to me in terms of design, and the price was really good. The other thing that you get with this kit are the bits and pieces, and these are die cut pieces, and I love that they had phrases as well as icons. And then something that did not come with the kit, so everything I've showed you previous comes with the December Days 2018 kit, and I will link you to that below. This did not come with the kit, but I wanted some extra paper, so I got this 6x8 paper pad from this collection. This entire collection, if you want additional matching items, is called Merry and Bright. And you can see they have some cards that you can use, or rather paper sheets. And I can cut these down. Some are printed, but you can also just use the tone on tone, and you get a couple of each pattern. So I'm going to add some additional items to this, but again, check out their December kits. They have one from Echo Park, they have one from Carta, and they may be adding more, but they are great value because you save a lot by buying the entire kit. So what I would suggest is to pick out a kit, pick out some additional items that match that kit, and then create your own December album kit. But be sure to order it from Scrapbook.com. They've made it really easy, and their shipping is super fast. Thank you for joining me for this out-of-the-box scrapbooking haul video. For additional inspiration, visit jengallacher.com.